Okay, good afternoon. My name is Juan Carlos Castro. I am a student from the Universidad Tecnológica de Durango. This is my class, Project Engineering. And in this occasion, we will see a video tutorial of the website called Asana. This is a program made for management, for project management, where you can manage people, where you can manage actions to carry your project. So here we can see that we are setting up our project. The name of this project is an automatic greenhouse, which is going to be my project, my third unit program. First, we have like our tasks that we need to accomplish so we can achieve our project. At the first, we can see investigate about greenhouses, but second is to develop the program, the LabVIEW program, and at the third, as you can see, I will cut and paste to the second because that was our second step. Here we're pasting it, and at the third, we're going to install our BI, and we will check if it's working or its functionality. Then let's wait. So we continue. Then we will divide our tasks in three groups. First, we will write the pending issues. With the pending issues, and then we have the play because as music is playing, and at the end the full when you're ready. So here you can choose if you want to use a chart, a chronogram, a calendar. I'll use a list. Here I will set my teammates mail so they can get the links and they can edit and they can basically marking and checking their activities they need to make to carry out our project. We have Alejandro Serrato, then we have Memo Hernandez, and then that is my personal mail. Yeah, so that is, and then well, since this is the first time I'm using it, I'm saving my password. Here we can see that it is loading. We have actually we have 30 free days. Here you can see the chart where we have the pending issues, the play and full. I don't know if you remember that we just set it the three categories of our task, and here in play I just added that I'm downloading LabVIEW and develop LabVIEWs. This is just an example. Here I am saying that it's uncurious that it should be in play. And for example, this activity that I just added, I am first setting who's going to be responsible, when do I have to do it, which activity that I haven't set already depends on this activity and my priority. I said here that this is a high priority and that it is in risk, so I need to make it right now. Then we have to we can, if I decided that I just send it, it is full one of my activities, I just drop it. I take it with the mouse and then drop it with call. Then we have the chronogram. As you can see, the chronogram, it is loading. It is loading. Here you can set the dates. The days I'm going to be working. Here, well, if I ended with a task, I just hit and I just mark as ended. Here, as you can see, I am moving a task to other days, and since it is too much time, I just got it. And then here, I can see the resume of my project. I can see our role plays. I can see my key resources that I'm using this occasion. I have a list. I just check it because I just finishing making them, and that it's basically all, guys. So thank you.